Okay, so in this video, we continue with exercise 4 using transfer tool SCP, and we will now download a compressed directory instead, and we can also compare to the times that we got when we downloaded 1000 files in a folder, and we'll see the difference with using a compressed directory and archived directory. So first we want to archive and zip the many files directory. So that is on the remote. And we do this by doing, and yes, we will also archive with tar. So let's see here. Yeah. We will create a file, call this. So this is the name, and we should use the cheat sheet. I will use the C is for compress, F is that will create a file, P is for verbose, meaning that we will show explicitly on the command line here what will happen. So it's a kind of output. And we will also zip or compress the files. So we call it many files. Oh, and one very important thing is that we have to leave this many files folder because we cannot compress inside the folder that we will compress and archive. Okay, new try. So tar and CFB set, and I made the tab complete, but I will change. So we have the endings tar and gset. Gset stands for gzip, and now we put what we want here. So many files, that directory we want to compress. So let's try this. Yes. So here we see the files that are contained. And let's do an ls. And here we have this new file. So is this file that we want to download? So we go back to our local session. I will go back in the history, and instead I can actually remove this -r, but it's not needed. It won't hurt to leave it. And we will change the many files to the new file name, gset, and we can store it locally, this in the present folder, this dot here. So verification code. Yeah, so we can compare now. Here we used, as a user, we used 515 seconds. In this case, we use only 0.094 seconds. So it was much faster to do this. Archiving and zipping. And even from the system side, it was decreased by more than 10 times. So the more files you have, the more, it's more important to make these archives. In this case, the zipping did not matter, I guess, because our files were 0. I mean, they had no content, so they have a very small amount of space needed to be downloaded. So this ends this exercise.